Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex, Alpha Kilo Warrior. It's Saturday morning. We're heading to Sky Acres today. We're at 3,000 feet, or VFR today. We're going to go for some pancakes, waffles, something like that. We're just north of Robertson right now. Visibility is a little bit reduced today. I got the information here for Sky Acres. So Sky Acres is airport identifier is 44 November. It's 697 feet is field elevation. We have a 3,828-foot runway by 60-foot wide, and I anticipate using runway 35 today. Well, we have a headwind today. I'm indicating 126. I'm ground speeds at 104 miles an hour. So I get about 20 mile an hour headwind right now. I got traffic detection on the Skyhound there, keeping me safe. It's real early today. It's 6:30 in the morning, and visibility is a little reduced today. Like I said, it's about maybe 8 miles, maybe a little bit past 10. It'll be too much of a factor. There's no ASOS at Sky Acres, so I'll get Poughkeepsie's ATIS in there at 126.75 just to confirm runway 35. But that's what I'm anticipating today. Common traffic advisory frequency is 122.8, and I just lost 100 feet there. I'm going to pull back a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to be coming on the upwind side of runway 35. So what I'll do is I'll do a midfield crosswind downwind entry for runway 35. So we'll show you guys how that works. So come along for the ride. All right, so we're about 25 miles east of Sky Acres. We're still in Connecticut. We're coming up to a really, really cool looking lake here. And so I am about 15 minutes out. Just going to film this lake, and then we'll set up for a landing here at Sky Acres. Just want to share this view with you guys. Some of this beautiful Connecticut landscape below. I got the side wing camera going. We're at 2,900 feet over Connecticut in the springtime. All right, let's turn inbound. Sky Acres traffic, Archer 33121, 5 miles east, overflying the field, landing tree 5, Sky Acres. All right, airport's to my 12 o'clock.
You're watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment over New England.
Sky Acres traffic, Archer 33121, 3 miles east, overflying field at 1,700, landing runway tree 5, Sky Acres. All right, looks like I got like a little white tower to my 12 o'clock. I'm gonna keep that to my 12 o'clock. And we're 1700s TPA. I want to come in left here. I'll get this squared up here.
Thanks for watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment on YouTube. Be sure to check out Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm posting social content daily.
Guys are 17. There's the airport. Sky Acres traffic, Archer 33121, over the top of the field, 1,700. We'll be entering a left downwind runway tree 5, Sky Acres. Alright, there's pattern altitude 1,700. Nobody's on downwind. I'll get a notch of flaps in here. Skyx traffic, Archer 33121, turning left to downwind midfield, runway 25 Skyx. Alright, runway's in sight. We're 1 mile away. Alright, we're a beam. Power's going to 15. Our notch in here. Skyx traffic, Archer 33121, turning left base runway 35 Skyx. Skyx traffic, Archer 121, turning final, tree 5 Skyx. Oh, we got something on the runway there. A deer just crossed the runway. Kept it a little bit long for that deer. Skyx traffic, be advisor, was a deer on the runway, landed long. Skyx.
Thanks to my channel members for helping support my channel. If you want early access to my Sunday videos, custom emojis, and member exclusive content, you could join for 3 cents a day on YouTube, and the money goes 100% back into the channel. Thank you so much.